We are flying to Munich today. This backpack is so huge. Bye, room. Hello, are you excited to go on the plane? Yes. Rebecca got off first because she was like in row 1. We were in like row like 23 or something, and we're just gonna go find her now. Room tour. We're entering just now. We're heading out to go find something for dinner now. Are you guys excited?
So excited.
We are right now in a college, and we didn't they just let us in. But it's so pretty. It's 11 p.m. right now, and we're heading back to the hotel room. Ella, how was your drink?
Good.
How was your drink, Rebecca?
It's good. It's so good.
On our way to pick up Measure now. We're in the park and it's so pretty. We just got our Taylor Swift merch. How do you feel?
So good. I love it.
Yes. So I'm so excited for tomorrow. So after going out for dinner around the town, I'm just in here writing about what we did and everything. I have to catch up a little bit on the past few days, but that's what I'm doing. And then we're gonna do a face mask and make some bracelets for tomorrow. We are getting ready for the Taylor Swift concert. Oh my gosh. I have all of my bracelets on and I have my outfit. Wearing this dress that I think gives 1989, and then just some white, very comfortable shoes with my Taylor Swift bracelets. Rebecca, how do you feel right now?
So
Oh my
good.
gosh, we made it to stadium.
There's a lot of people
Yeah.
here.
Now we have to go probably stand in line. We just made it. We just started walking home and it started to downpour, but that's alright because I was planning on taking a shower anyways. Hey guys, today is Sunday morning and I still can't even talk. Oh my gosh, last night was so crazy and the most magical thing ever, even magical than Disney, I think. But we are gonna have to start packing now. Oh my, I found my hairbrush. made it to Innsbruck and we are now walking around the town. We woke up today and we got some breakfast and now we're getting ready to go to the mountains and go hiking. We are now starting our hike and that's what the water looks like. Oh. So this is what the view looks like right now, and we have to go all the way up there. Apparently we're more than halfway, so that's good. We just ate some lunch and now we are waiting to go on the suspension bridge to take some pictures. Since we're done with pictures on the suspension bridge, we're gonna start walking back down and take some more pictures on the way down. So hopefully there's a little less people now. Let's see. So we had gotten back from going on that hike. We rested for probably an hour-ish and now we're heading to dinner and we're going to do this kind of scary tunnel. I'm a little bit scared. Today is Tuesday, July 30th and we are going to go swimming. Is it like a lake? Yeah, it's like a cute little lake. We're at the lake now and we got some ice cream and it's really good and it's so pretty here. I definitely think now Innsbruck has like it's a little bit better for me. At first I was like, yeah, I don't know if I really want to live here, but like this kind of makes it better.